Welcome to Spanish Campus. In this video, we're going to learn the Spanish alphabet. The Spanish and English alphabets are very similar. In this video, we'll include combination of letters that are not part of the alphabet. In Spanish, all letters are pronounced all the time, except for the letter H, which is always silent in Spanish words. The letters F, K, L, M, N, P, Q, S, W, X, and Y are virtually identical in both English and Spanish. Let's learn their Spanish alphabet and their sounds. A, as the A in star. Ángel, ambulancia. B, as the B in best. B and V are pronounced exactly alike. B, banana, bebé. C before A, O, and U is pronounced K. Ka, ko, ku. Ca, castillo. Co, corazón. Cu, cupido. C before A and E is pronounced S. C and C. C, certificado. C, circo. The double C is pronounced X as in accent. Inyección, construcción. Che is pronounced ch as in chin. Chocolate, cheque. D is pronounced d as in dot. However, at the end or between vowels, it sounds th. Idea, diamante. E, as the E in test. Bebé, elefante. F is pronounced as f in photographer. Fotografía, teléfono. G before A, O, U is pronounced as in go. Ga, garaje. Go, gobierno. Gu, guardia. G before E and E is pronounced H as in hat. G, generador. Gi, gigante. G in combination with UE and UI, the letter U is not pronounced. Ge, Miguel. Gui, guitarra. G in combination with UE and UI, the U with diéresis is pronounced. Gue, bilingüe. Gui, lingüística. H is always silent. Hospital, helicóptero. E as the I in machine. Inteligente, isla. J pronounced as H in hat. Jamón, jugo. K is pronounced the same way as in English. Karate, koala. L is pronounced L as in light. Lámpara, limosina. The double L is pronounced Y as in year. Castillo, Camello. M. It's pronounced the same way as in English. Menú. Monumento. N. It's pronounced the same way as in English. Nota. Números. Ñ is pronounced ñ, as in canyon. Montaña. Baño. O, as the O and obey. Tomate. Volcán. P. It's pronounced the same way as in English. Panda. Pera. Q. Most commonly paired with UE and UI. Que. Queso. Ki. Ski. R is always pronounced like a trill, double R at the beginning of the word. Rosa. Ratón. Doble R produces a strong trill sound that does not have an English equivalent. Guitarra. Carro. S is pronounced the same way as in English. Ensalada. Salmón. T is pronounced T as in attend. Taco. Taxi. U is pronounced as the U in spoon. Uber. Grupo. V, B, and V are pronounced exactly alike. Violín. Vegetales. W is pronounced exactly the same way as in English. Wisconsin. Washington. X, usually like X, but also occasionally like Spanish. Excelente. México. Y, as in year, but when the Y stands alone, it is pronounced E, as in meat. Yogur. Yoga. Z is pronounced as S and so, or in Spain, it's pronounced th, as in think. Paz. Zoológico. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Gracias.